Well, I've been working pretty hard on setting up this spray booth today. Old mantelpiece here ready to get picked up. But we've got this thing all together, just waiting on mechanical people to get the ductwork all installed and the electricians to get the power brought over to it. So I'm just marking out some electrical because guess what? They're coming next week. So I'm gonna put the panel right there, get some plugs everywhere, and hopefully get this place wired. We do have to bring a new service in from the road, so it might take a few more weeks than I want it to, but right now it's a beautiful day. And I think we should go ride a horse. So let's go to the barn and get on Ellie for a little fall ride. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetheart. Good girl. Ready for your bit? Let's see here. How cold is it? Just a wee bit cold. Okay. Can you bring your head down? Thank you. No, 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 no. Good girl. Good girl. Nobody would ever guess that you're a crazy horse looking at you right now. Good girl. Yes. So pretty outside. Good girl. So we're just gonna go for a walk and then we'll get on her, see how she is in the arena, and we'll go for a little trail ride. Look how beautiful it is today, huh, Ellie? And we'll stop for snacks, of course. Walk on. Good girl. Yes. We're gonna go see that big scary trailer. Yeah. Yes, we are. Oh, she's very interested. Ellie has learned to touch things instead of be scared of them. So curious instead of fearful. Good girl. Okay, we're gonna go touch. Yeah, good girl. Let's touch. Touch. Can we touch? Touch. Yes, good girl. Good, not so scary, right? All right, let's leave. Good girl. Good girl. Walk on. Yes. Okay, let's take her over to the arena, see how she's doing. For those of you who don't know, Ellie is blind, so I like to kind of take it easy with her. Make sure she is comfortable with her surroundings before we do stuff. So we'll just walk around this arena. It's got taller grass that touches her legs and a little bit more stimulation for her brain, but she's been really good at it. Yeah? Do you want to sniff? Need to check? Yes? Good girl. Good. Walk on. Good girl. Something that's been really hard to do with my condition is just stay calm, keep my heartbeat down with a horse that's already quite needy of confidence and scared of a lot of stuff. Okay, so Ellie knows how to line up at the mounting block very well. Hey, hey. She likes to go out, but we're gonna try doing some work inside here first. No, go back, good girl. We need to put the head, there you are. Yes, yes. She needs lots of reassurance to know that she's doing the right thing. Good girl, yes. Good girl. Can you walk on a little bit? You're a little bit too close. Good girl, perfect. 1, 2, 3, and I just gently kind of get back on her, and we sit, and I let my heartbeat come down, and just let her know, yes, that's a good girl. And she's really good to her mom. She stands quite nicely at the mounting block. A lot of horses will not do this, and she's a spunky horse, so this is nice for her. And I just take some deep breaths and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. Good girl, yes. And however much reinforcement she needs to feel like she's doing the right thing, I give it to her, because when you can't see and someone's asking you of so many things, well, we were gonna ride in there, but I guess we'll go out here. She's like, I would like to just go. All right, let's go. Yeah, it's okay. Let's go out where the grass is good. Walk on. Good girl. And you see I'm riding with no stirrups, so really, really got to stay balanced. And she's a wiggly horse. She's very, very difficult to stay balanced on. And I let her eat breaks out here because it's all about relaxing and enjoying each other. It's not about getting work done when we're on a trail ride. So in the arena, it's work time. Out here, let's have fun, let's relax. But I will ask her to walk on. Okay, let's walk on. Yes, good, walk on, yes. And she can't see, so giving her good direction is important, but not too much. Good girl, yes. Good, good, yes. And if she's getting a little bit too rowdy, I'll just ask her to give me a little bit of a circle. Yes, good girl. There you go. Good, yes. And then I just have to make sure that I'm staying relaxed, and she's gonna wanna have some free hay here. It's our snack stop before we get to work. Okay, let's walk on. Yes, good. Good girl, yes. Okay, so we're gonna head out through the bales there. Good girl, Ellie. Yes. I'm just gonna keep talking to her and letting her know she's doing a really good job. Good girl. Because she's got to, go through different terrains, shadows, stuff that she, just can't see. Good girl. Yes. Yes. And then there's some nice alfalfa in here. I'm going to go let her eat that right over here. Good girl. Yes. Stop. And you can have that. Good girl. And letting her do stuff that she likes to do is so important with a relationship. She's given a lot to me, so I like to give back to her. Good girl. And this nice alfalfa in here is just her favorite, so it's a nice treat for her. Good girl. Okay, let's walk on. Good. Now she has a hard time eating it with the bit in, so she's going to shake her head a bit. It's kind of funny. Good girl. Yes. Walk on. Good. Good girl, Ellie. Yes. Good girl. Yes. You shouldn't have put so much in there. Walk on. Good girl. And bareback riding is all about keeping your bottom half nice and relaxed while keeping your upper body nice and strong and lifted. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Good. Coming up to the crest here, we got a beautiful view of the Saskatchewan prairies. Absolutely gorgeous. Good girl, Ellie. Yes, good girl. I'm sure she would like to gallop off. Yeah, we can turn around. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Yes. Good girl. Good, you wanna stop? Good, have a snack. So this is fairly new for us. Fall time can be a time where horses get kind of spooky. So it's a pretty big risk for a blind horse to be trail riding outside. Road right over there, lots of spooky shadows, the lights changing. So she's doing really good. I'm really proud of her. And hopefully that I don't fall off in this video, because it happens. Okay, walk on. She's getting a little dragony there. Good girl. Yes, nice breathe out, really nice. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Yeah, let's take off this way a little bit. Go down the tree line. Good girl. Yes, walk on. Good girl. Lots of gopher mounds here, so trotting and speed aren't really a good thing for her. Out here, I need a little bit more of a terrain that's nice and good girl. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Good. Yes. And this is actually a spot we haven't gone to yet, so good girl. Up, up, up. A little warning on those. Good girl. Yes. And a trick with taking your horse out is, you know, if they start getting nervous a little too far from home, just do a little bit farther than you did last time and then head back home again. And hopefully they don't tear home. Good girl. Nice little road here. Yes. Good girl. Really nice. And you just need to keep an eye on her and make sure she's holding her emotions nice. Good. And we're going to turn around here. Nope. It's okay. Good girl. Just walk. Yes. Good girl. She loves to go, and I wish I could let her go, but I would like some stirrups before we do. And also this ground, you can see there's so many gopher holes. Good girl. Walk on. Yes. And the little pup's here to join us. Ellie loves the doggy. Good girl. Well, let's head home. Come on. Walk on. Yes, walk on. Good girl. Walk on. Good. Yes. Let's go this way. This way. Good girl. Yeah, so she's not an easy horse to ride. She's pretty jerky, and her canter's a little tough to ride. Her trot's really choppy. So us doing the bareback has been a really big challenge, but I'm really proud of her. She's done a good job giving me some attitude right now. I'll just give her a nice sharp turn. Good girl. And walk on. Good. Yes, walk on. She wants to eat more, but I've said no, we need to walk. Good girl. Yes. Yes. Walk on. Walk on. Yes. Good. Good girl. Doesn't like that trailer. Still, walk on. Good. Still doesn't like that trailer. Even though we went to say hi. Walk on. Yes. Good. Good girl. Thankfully, she's not a horse that really wants to rush home. She's very happy to do the stuff that we do. She can't really get out of her paddock and run around without somebody helping her, guiding her along. Good girl. Walk on. Yeah. She's a beautiful horse though, and she's a sweet girl. So I really do enjoy my time with her. So thanks so much for joining me on this nice fall, beautiful ride on a nice sunny fall day. And I hope that you enjoyed this little video that wasn't anything to do with furniture. So have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving. And I love you guys. See you next time.